Hi guys! So for this video, we will discuss about the calculation of cost of feed per kilogram dry matter. We will also calculate the unit of energy per megajoule ME. We will also tackle the cost of feed for my 350 cows. So what is the significance of this? Why I need to know this, or why you need to be aware? If you are operating a farm or you are involved in the budgeting, it is important that we know how to calculate. I am also aware that there are tools available that we can avail, especially if we will undergo for further study, in order for us to help to calculate this easily. But for this video, I will show you and I will calculate it manually so that it will help me to derive and manage the risk on financial decision of the budgeting of the cost of my supplements. Or it also helps me to show how much is the actual expenses, and it also helps me to decide whether I am going to use the additional supplement or I will just stick on my grass base on farm. So doon papasok ngayon yung aking skills on the pasture management. So if we can, kung makikita natin yung mga figures, it will help us to achieve what we want to achieve. If we want to achieve the high cost of feeding, or we will achieve the low cost of feeding where we can still produce good and high quality of the milk solid. But in this video, we will realize how the cost works in the per kilograms of dry matter, on the units of energy, and on the, of course, the price of the supplements. So the cost of feed, so remember, cost of feed per kilogram dry matter. So ang unit natin is cents per, unit natin is cents per kilogram dry matter. Okay? So first that we will compute is the blend. First supplement is the blend. Okay? Kasi nagbibigay talaga kami nito sa aming cow. So now, the supplier is providing us the analysis. The first analysis they are giving us is the ME analysis. So which is, this is 12 megajoule per kilogram dry matter. Okay? And then they are also providing us the percentage of dry matter. This is wet base on our blend, which is 85%. Okay? And the price that we contracted of per ton of blend is $650 per ton. Okay? But we need to consider also the waste. So we always consider this. We consider the 5% waste per ton of blend. So it happens talaga that we have waste. So what we do first is we will convert that 1 ton is equivalent to 1,000 kilograms. We need to convert that. Okay, but remember we have a waste of 5%. So we need to minus the 5% waste, and it will give us 950 kilograms of blend. So wet base. Okay, so now we will calculate the dry matter. So how to calculate the dry matter? So we need the 950 kilograms multiplied to the 85% of the dry matter wet base. It will give us 807.5 kilograms dry matter ton of our blend. So remember, this is already dry matter. So now we will calculate also the cost of feed per kilogram dry matter naman. So how? So the cost of our feed, 650, is it per ton, price ng blend, divide to the calculated dry matter, which is 807.5, it will give us 80 cents. Okay, 80 cents per kilogram dry matter. So the dry matter that we calculated is 107.5. The cost of feed per kilogram dry matter is 80 cents. So now we will also calculate the cost per unit energy. Calculate the cost per unit energy, which 80 cents per kilogram dry matter, divide the analysis of the ME, 12 megajoule per kilogram dry matter. It will give us 0.67 cents per megajoule ME. Nakuha nyo? So now, remember the figures, the dry matter 807.5, the cost of feed is 80 cents, and the cost per unit energy is 6.667. So now, we will calculate the cost of feed. The cost of feed, kilogram dry matter for our 350 cows. So we need the feeding rate requirements. So it varies ito, depende sa farm. Pero kami, we gave 4 kilogram dry matter of blend per day per cow. Okay? Number of cows. So 350 Jersey. So price of our blend per kilogram dry matter is 80 cents per kilogram dry matter. So in order for us to calculate the cost of feed for our 350 cows, we need for 4 kilograms dry matter multiplied to the number of cows, 350 cows, multiplied to the price of the 80 cents per kilogram dry matter will give us $120 per day cost of feed for 350 cows. So this is the cost of the blend that we are giving to our 350 cows per day. Okay? We can check this if this correct. So we will check this by using the energy calculation. So to check, so remember this is mathematics, you can check. We can check by using the energy calculation. So makita natin kung tama ba talaga yung kinalculate natin. So what we need to do in calculating this is number of cows multiply to the feed rate requirements, then multiply to the energy. We will use the cost. This is the cost per unit. Cost per unit energy. Okay? Multiply to the given ME analysis. Okay? So, we'll calculate 350 cows. Our feeding rate is 4 kilograms dry matter of blend per cow per day times to the cost of energy, which is the 0.06. Remember, cents per megajoules, cents per megajoule ME, multiply to the ME analysis of 12 megajoule per kilogram dry matter. So it will give us $120 per, so yung unit natin, so per day at 350 cows. So kasi i-cancel everything, okay? So dito kasi 4 kilogram per day per cow, okay? So cancel. So it will, so tama, check. Okay, so ganun guys, we can check. So last, we will calculate the ME of the blend. So how we calculate this? So the feeding rate of the 4 kilograms dry matter, and then we will just multiply it to the given ME analysis, which is 12 megajoule per kilogram dry matter. So it will give us 48 megajoule ME. So now, so next supplements that we're going to compute is the grass, bale, silage. We will compute this based on bought in. So, binili siya. Okay? So, bought in price is $120 per bale. So, it's the same. It will give us the dry matter content of 30%. And then, the ME, we just use the average of, because they will give this on the warrant of fitness of feed, so it shows the 9 megajoule ME per kilogram dry matter. So we just use the average. And then, the standard weight of bale. So standard weight, 600 kilograms per bale. So, weight base. Okay, so ano pang kailangan nating malaman? So, we still need to consider yung waste. So, we consider 10%. So, including na lahat dyan ng waste during feeding, during feed out. So, I consider 10%. So we have the price of the bale, the dry matter content 30%, the ME 9 megajoule, and the weight and the waste. Okay, so now what we gonna do first is we will the 600 kilograms weight per bale, we need to subtract the 10% waste. Okay? So, to calculate the dry matter of our grass bale silage is 540 kilograms. Then, multiply to the 30% dry matter on wet base. So, we will calculate the dry matter of the grass bale of 162 kilograms dry matter. Okay? So now, we will calculate the cost per dry matter naman. Per dry matter. Okay? So, ang cost ng ating per bale is, like I said, we use it bought in. So, kung hindi binili, you can change it into the kung how much yung cost ng inyong pagpapabil, pagpapaharvest, everything. So, because this is bought in, I just use 120. So, we need to divide it to the kilogram dry matter, which is 162 kilograms dry matter. So, which give us how much? 74 cents per kilogram dry matter. Ito ang ating grass bale silage. So now, we will calculate the cost per unit energy naman. So, we will use the 74 cents per kilogram dry matter. So, divide the ME. So, 9 megajoule ME per kilogram dry matter. Okay? It will give us, we'll put everything para accurate yung ating checking. Okay. So, ang unit natin, remember, cents per megajoule ME. Okay? So now, how much naman yung cost per 350 cows? So, of feed for 350 cows per day. Okay? So, what we need is number of cows, 350 cows. Ano yung feed rate requirements natin? Or kung gusto mong gayahin, ano yung feed rate ninyo? If you want to calculate yours, so we are using 4 kilograms dry matter per day per cow. We need also the cost of dry matter, which is 74 cents per kilogram dry matter. So, 350 cows multiply to the 4 kilograms dry matter per day per cow multiply to 74 cents per kilogram dry matter. This will give us $1,036 per day, 350 cows. So, yan ang cost ng pakain na grass silage per day sa ating 350 cows. So, 1,036. So, now, we can check if this is correct by calculating the ME. So, check ulit natin kung tama. Check by calculating the ME. So, ano yung kailangan natin? So, kailangan pa rin natin yung feed rate requirements which is 4 kilograms dry matter per day per cow. Okay? Number of cows, 350. Cost per unit. Cost per unit. Cents per megajoule ME. Okay? So now, kailangan natin dito ng ME. So, ang ME natin is the 9. ME is the 9 megajoule ME. So, what we need to do, we just multiply the feed rate, 4 kilograms dry matter per day per cow, multiply 250 cows, multiply to the cost per unit energy, cents per megajoule ME, kalimutan, multiply to 9 megajoule ME. So, which gave us 1,036. I just checked it by using, and this is the dollar. Okay? So, last, we will still need to calculate ang metabolized energy naman ng ating grass silage. So, we gonna compute the ME of grass bale silage. We need the given ME of 9 megajoule ME per kilogram dry matter. So, feed rate of 4 kilograms dry matter per cow per day. So, multiply that, it will give us 36 megajoule ME. So, that's the ME of our grass bale silage. Okay? Now, guys, we will calculate our supplement, which is the maize. So, maize silage. So, what we need to do? So, our maize silage is bought in. So, running price is 45 cents per kilogram dry matter. We need to consider the waste of 20%. And the ME is 10.5 megajoule ME per kilogram dry matter. So, our feed requirement still 4 kilograms dry matter per day per cow. Okay? Because of the waste, we need to consider the 20% waste. So, we will compute the waste. So, 4 kilograms dry matter per day per cow, and multiply it to the 20% waste, will gives us 0.8 waste. So now, our feed requirements will become 4.8 kilograms dry matter per day per cow. Why? Because remember, our waste is 20%. So that waste of 20% should add so that we still meeting the feed requirements that we we want, or that's the required. It depends on the farm. This is vary, but as in this calculation, we're using 4 kilogram of feed requirements, 4 kilograms dry matter per day per cow. Okay? So now, first, we will calculate the cost for 350 cows. So how we gonna calculate this? So number of cows, 350 cows, multiply to the feeding rate, which is 4.8 kilogram dry matter per day per cow. Then multiply it to the price of the maize, which is 45 cents per kilogram dry matter. So it will give us $756 per day at 350 cows. Okay? So now, we will calculate the cost of unit energy. So how do we calculate that? So 45 cents per kilogram dry matter. So we need to divide to the ME of 10.5 megajoule ME. Megajoule ME per kilogram dry matter. So it will give us 0.0428 571.429. Okay? Cents per megajoule ME. So we need to remember that. So now, we need to check if we calculated the cost for 350 cows using the energy. So how we gonna calculate that? So 350 cows multiply to the cost unit of energy, which is the 0.042857429 cents per megajoule ME, multiply to the ME, which is 10.5 megajoule ME per kilogram dry matter, multiply to the feed rate of 4.8 kilograms dry matter per day per cow. So this will give us $756. Correct. So check. So tama yung calculation natin. So last, we need to calculate the total ME of maize. So how? So the 4 kilogram dry matter multiply to the ME. This is the feed requirements per day per cow. 10.5 the ME is megajoule ME per kilogram dry matter. So the MEE will give us 42 megajoule ME. So nakuha nyo guys yung mga figures natin. So you need to remember those. So now guys, in this video, we're still calculating the cost of feed per kilogram dry matter. Our unit still the cents per kilogram dry matter. The supplement that we're going to calculate in this video is our grass on farm, which is our main source of feed. So now, because our cows is Jersey bred, so my requirements for them is 225 megajoule. So earlier in the 3 videos, we calculated the ME of blend, which is 48 megajoule. The bale silage Me is 36 megajoule. And the maize Me is 42 megajoule. So if we total that, we will come up to 126 megajoules. So we need to remember that these are all imported supplements. The calculation that we did, I assume that these supplements are bought in. So if you have harvesting maize or bale silage on your farm, you can change just the cost per bale and per tons. So now, my requirements is 225 megajoules. So 225 megajoules as my requirement minus the calculated 126 megajoule from our imported feed. So we come up with 99 megajoule short of feed, but we still using the grass, so our required for grass feeding. So now, by calculating this, guys, after we finish, we can evaluate which is the system of our farm. So the given for this calculation, our average pasture, which is 2,800 kilogram dry matter per hectare. Our residual is 1,500 kilogram dry matter per hectare. So our available feed is 1,300 kilogram dry matter per hectare. So during spring, the energy of our grass, it varies. It is 11.5 to 13.5 megajoule per kilogram dry matter. But in this calculation, we will use the 12.5 megajoule per kilogram dry matter. So now, knowing I'm short of 99 megajoule, so we will calculate the feed rate. So how we gonna calculate the feed rate? So in order to calculate the feed rate, we will use the 99 megajoule, the required for our grass, divide the 12.5 megajoule per kilogram dry matter of our energy of our grass. It will give us 7.92 kilogram dry matter per cow. Okay? So now, we have 350 cows. So our feed rate is 7.92. We will multiply that. Feed rate 7.92 kilogram dry matter per cow times 350 cows. We will get 2,772 kilogram dry matter. So now, for our 350 cows. So now we will calculate the cost of grass per kilogram dry matter. So there is a ranges of 20 to 40 cents per kilogram dry matter. So this cost is the price of our grass per kilogram dry matter. So we will use 20 cents per kilogram dry matter. Okay? So, cost of grass equals to 0.20 divide kilogram dry matter multiply to 2772, which is our calculated feed requirements. So which gave us 554.4 for 350 cows per day. So this is our cost of grass. So now we will calculate the cost of unit energy. So how we gonna calculate the cost of unit energy? We will use the $0.2 per kilogram dry matter. Then we will divide it to the ME of the grass, 12.5 megajoule per kilogram dry matter. So it will give us 0.016 per megajoule. Okay? So now we can calculate this to check by using the energy calculation. So checking. So we will check again. So we have 350 cows. We will multiply to our feed rate of 7.92 kilogram dry matter. Then we will multiply to the 12.5 megajoule per kilogram dry matter, the ME of the grass. Then we will multiply to the cost of unit energy of 0.016 per megajoule. So it will give us 554.4 at 350 cows. So now we will calculate. So last we will calculate the ME of the grass. So how? With the feed rate of 7.92 kilogram dry matter, we will multiply to the 12.5 ME of the grass megajoule per kilogram dry matter. It will give us 99 megajoule. So thank you guys. So this is the figures for our grass as our supplement. Now guys, ito na yung summary ng mga kinalculate natin sa apat na videos. So gagawin natin siya ng table. So una, yung ating supplements. So ano yung mga supplements natin? So ang una ay ang blend, bale grass silage, ang ating maize, at ang ating main source of feed supplement, ang grass. So next table naman, di ba, kinalculate din natin ang rate per day. So ito yung kilogram dry matter. So ang requirements natin sa blend ay 4 kilogram dry matter, sa silage, sa maize, and sa grass ay 7.92 kilogram dry matter. So ngayon, kinalculate din natin ang cost ng dry matter, which is cents per kilogram dry matter. So ang na-compute natin sa blend ay 80 cents. Sa bale is 74 cents. At ang maize ay 45 cents. At ang ating grass ay 20 cents. We use 20 but that range 20 to 40 cents, but we use 20 cents. So we also calculated the ME, which is the megajoule, ME per kilogram dry matter. So tatandaan natin yung mga units. So ang ME ng blend is 12. So ang ME ng gas solid is 9. At ang ME ng maize is 10.5. At ang ME ng grass is during spring 11.5 to 12.5 megajoule per kilogram dry matter, where we use the 12.5. So we also calculated the cost of energy per unit. So we calculated the blend 6.66, naalala nyo? 7. And then bale is 8.22. And then the maize is 4.22. And our grass is 0.016. So yan ang cost na. So ang cost ng ating energy is, ang ating unit is cents per megajoule. So ngayon, we also calculated the cost of feed. Cost of feed. So ito. So ang na-calculate natin sa blend ay 1,120. Diba? Ang ating baka ay 350 cows. Remember, this is per day. 1,120 per day. So, $1,036 at 350 cows ang cost ng ating bale silage. And ang ating maize will cost us 756 at 350 cows per day. Where ang ating grass, we will just cost as 554.4 at 350 cows per day. So if we total this, for example, we use all of this, it will cost us $3,466.4 per day at 350 cows. Okay? So we also calculated the total ME. So the ME of our blend is 48 megajoule. Ang ating bale grass silage is 36. Ang ating maize is 42 at ang ating grass is 99. So if we total that, we will come up to 225 megajoule, which is the requirement of our Jersey cow that the target of my for Jersey cow, the total ME. So what is the significance naman nitong calculation natin? So we can also total the rate per day. So it will, 19.92 kilogram dry matter per cow per day. So yan yung feeding rate naman. So nakita nyo guys yung mga figures. So ano ang significance ng mga calculation natin? So maliwanag, nakita natin yung price, cost of feed ng ating 350 cows. If you want to see kung magkano naman ang ating per cow, cost per cow, we can divide that to 350 cows. If you want to find out how much per cow, it will give you $9.90 per cow per day. if you want to know kung how much ba yung cost ng isang pagkain ng isang baka. So, ang isang significance pa nito is you can adjust the feeding rate. Okay? You can increase or you can decrease. It depends on the cost. Of course, that vary. But if you will have a target of 225 megajoule, you can increase where you can lessen, or it depends on your decision. You can also decide which supplement you're going to use. So if you use all this supplement, so it's your decision. So helpful to me as running the farm because I can minimize the cost. Because remember, I can see the cost of each supplement, where if I will focus on the grass, like producing high quality grass, I will manage the pasture properly. So this is only the cost if this is my target ME, but I can still increase. And second, if I want to add supplement, actually we are using all of this supplement, but like I said, if there is a chance, we can lessen or decrease. Depends on how we manage the farm. Another significance, guys, why I calculated this is no matter what is your position in the farm, even you are in the lower position, normally you are assigned to feed the cows. So one of the reasons why I show how to calculate this is it shows you that we need to have concern on how we manage the feeding, so that we can or decrease the waste on farm. Remember, we discussed the defects. So in our calculation earlier, there are a waste percentage of waste. So the reason that I show you this is first, at least whoever or whatever is your position in the farm, it will help you to have more concern, to have more value in your work, and to have more patience on feeding our cows, especially if the season or the weather permits of a lot of feeding. So with this, guys, having how to calculate the feed calculation of every supplements we have on farm. This is just few supplement. There are other supplements that we can add to this, but these are just the common or the typical supplements that we are using in our farm. I hope, guys, that the calculation that I show you can apply in your own or you can use it in the future, because this is really important in farming, because in this you can help to decide as well. But if you're not yet on the decision making of the cost, it is still important that you should know this, because you're involved in feeding the cows. Like I said, you are the responsible to lessen the wastage of for example, if you're feeding these supplements, do not increase the waste if you are giving it to the cows. So thank you, guys, for watching my vlogs, and I hope that you enjoy it and you learn from it. Thank you.